So this is the 27001 consultant bolt-on. What we're going to do through the consultant coaching program is help consultants to be the most successful that they can be. I want to allow consultants to tap into my knowledge and experience of being in industry for over 30 years. But I also, not only was I the head of data governance and information security for a large multinational for over a decade, in terms of my background, in 2010, I started my own consultancy business from the ground up. And in 2018, I sold that business and exited from that business as it got sold into a private equity firm. So what that means is, through the experiences that I can bring and share with people, is about building a business, the challenges of running a consultancy business. We can cover topics such as engagement with client, pricing for client, how we structure our various products, how we show up, how we represent ourselves, and how we can make ourselves the most successful. And I'm hopeful that by giving people these insider tips, I can raise the game for people, make them more profitable, and help them to be successful in the way that success is defined for them. The way that the program is going to work is it is a bolt on to the implementer coaching program. So people that sign up and join in on consulting will by default get the implementer. That means they get access to those 6-step implementation training sessions. They get access to the Annex A workshops that are rolling. They get access to the Q&A sessions, and they get access to the extensive library of resources that we're building up. But in addition to that, they get these dedicated consultancy sessions as well. The consultancy sessions themselves are going to be recorded, and all of that content also is going to be part of the program. So if people miss a session and we don't cover or we cover something and they weren't available for it, they can go back and they can look through that library. So that's going to be the focus of the program, a rolling program. At the moment, we're doing 2 sessions a week. That may reduce, it may increase. Based on demand and based on how much we cover in videos, but it's a real opportunity for you, if you want to gain access to me and get some real insights to the nitty-gritty of how we deliver an ISO 27001 program. So as it's just yourself and I today, this is going to be more of an engagement and a coaching session with you, touching on some of the generic topics that I think are going to be appropriate for people. But I think I want to hear from you today so I can gauge what it is that I share with you. I don't just want to preach at you. So I think it'd be interesting for me to understand a little bit about what it is that you're actually doing right now and what it is that you want to be doing within the next 5 years.